Responding to shots fired, chasing male, black, on foot, white tee, jeans. Headed west in the gangway, 3400 Main towards Carpenter.
I'm right behind you.
Because y'all started running?
Yeah, why'd you shoot?
I want a lawyer.
You're gonna need a dentist.
Hey, give me your hands. I'm not gonna ask you again. Where's the gun? Huh? Where is it? Burgess. Burgess.
Fender apparently got a new piece. We're popping off at a cookout. Gotta love a heat wave in Chicago.
So we chased him in here, subdued him, using the minimal force necessary to effect an arrest.
Jagoff tried to ditch the hardware. He threw it in a yard 4 houses south.
I spotted the blood, opened the refrigerator. Never saw anything quite like that.
I sincerely doubt your shooter wanted us to find this. These are unrelated acts.
This is a black neighborhood. Always has been. We're gonna find out somebody moved that kid here.
That call that was on the zone this morning, kid went missing from Rogers Park. I think this is him.
Hey, John. Hey, you all right?
Yeah.
We're gonna solve this. Whatever it was.
I know we will.
He went missing Saturday.
He went on a bike ride. He wasn't gonna go see his friend.
We found him 3.5 miles south. Would he have ridden that far from home?
They found his bike a block from the house. Why don't you know this?
We're getting up to speed.
You need to find who did this.
That's our intention.
I can't do this. I can't do this.
Do you know, was he abused sexually?
Medical examiner hasn't had a chance to work yet.
Was there a history of abuse in the family? Relatives, family, friends?
His life was perfect. Same block I grew up on. There's no problems on that block. And when there is, we deal with them.
If we need to reach you,
I'll be at home, trying to keep my wife from falling apart.